Every day, more and more people are feeling confident going out again now that they've been vaccinated. That means more people calling for a ride, but not always getting one.
Lately, it hasn't been the best experience as far as the wait goes.
It wasn't hard to find people in downtown Ferndale frustrated with Uber and Lyft, saying the apps have been unreliable.
If I need a ride in 20 minutes, I need them to be there. Lately, that hasn't been the case. It's been a lot of cancellations, a lot of no-shows.
It primarily takes about like 30-something minutes sometimes for you to get a response, and then sometimes you don't.
I put a call out on social media, and it appears this is an issue across Metro Detroit. Riders saying they're having a hard time in Waterford, Clinton Township, Canton, and Wixom. An Uber rep tells me the issue is not enough drivers.
As Americans are getting vaccinated, cities are opening up and moving through recovery, more people are choosing to ride with Uber again. But drivers haven't necessarily returned to the platform at the same levels.
Uber acknowledges more drivers are needed and have launched a temporary $250 million stimulus boost to entice more drivers. With the boost, Metro Detroit drivers working at least 20 hours a week stand to make around $30 an hour.
We understand the frustration. That is one of the reasons why we're launching this initiative. We want riders to feel comfortable and safe, and for Uber to still be a reliable and efficient form of transportation. And so, that's why we're making such an investment in this driver stimulus announcement right now, to try to make sure the service level is back to what they're used to.
Uber and Lyft are not the only way to get a ride. There are still taxis.
We've definitely seen an uptick in our calls from the general public.
Ryan Tobias is the president of Michigan Green Cars. He says they are getting more people calling, struggling to find rides with Lyft and Uber. He says most of their riders are going to non-emergency medical appointments, the grocery store, and to the airport. He notes there has been a slight uptick in business, but nowhere near pre-pandemic levels.
We're operating at about a third of our total volume prior to March 2020.
But Uber and Lyft is not alone in having a hard time finding drivers. Tobias says they too have had a lack of drivers, and transportation experts tell me this spans to our local buses as well.
DDOT and smart bus systems have struggled to get and keep enough bus drivers, and that's meant some of the bus routes haven't been able to operate every day as they're supposed to. And some of that is a matter of people worrying about their health or safety. Some of that may be people who have to stay home to take care of kids in virtual school, or who don't have daycare, or taking care of sick family members.
We did reach out to Lyft. They did send us a statement that says we're seeing big increases in demand for rides as vaccines roll out and people get ready to start moving again. We're working to meet demand, including providing incentives to drivers who are busier and earning more than they were even before the pandemic. They went on to say they broke a new record for high earnings the second week of March. It's the highest earnings rating that they've had since the pandemic started in March of 2020. As for Uber, they need Uber drivers not only for Uber Eats, but they also have just started a new prescription drop-off. Reporting in Ferndale, Allie Hoxie, 7 Action News.